Hello students, now we are going to proceed with our recursion chapter. This is the last PPT for your recursion. So pay attention towards here and write each and every program which has been given here very neatly and clearly. Okay, because in this whatever the program is there, they are directly asked in your board examinations. Now see, this chapter is which is concerned to your 12th also. This chapter is going to come in your 12th chapter, 12th or 12th standard also. So pay attention towards it. See, this is the first question. As previously we have done the factorial, but this is of the series. The factorial of n is calculated as here the whole program has been given and what you all have to do here each and every what the function you have to make here each and everything has been given here. Okay, so this we have done here program to display the factorial number with the output also. Now um, class factorial has been taken here. The factorial, it means this is your constructor and default constructor is there. Okay, because in the program it has been given that you have to assign if in the program it is written, then you have to write it as constructor to assign 0 to n. Okay, so here you have to, this is your constructor. After that we have here a function int fact whatever the it has given, and we have input here number. Now n is num. If n is 0, this is your base case. As you all know, base case return 1, as return n into fact n minus 1. So whenever the factorial program comes, you should learn it that you have to write this syntax, this formula. This is the way to how to find out factorial in recursion. Now void get intx, here we are going to get fact, here again we are going to get number. Now we will print here factorial. Okay, this is the printing statement. Now we have here input a number with the help of scanner vector, and we have done a execution of a program. Okay, now you all know how the function is executed. This is the execution of your program. Now next is you have to find out prime series of the program with the recursive method. See, class name has been given. Again, data members has been given here. Prime series here is also constructor. It is in array. Okay, because we have to calculate here array sign is given and limit is there to create an array maximum size of 150. See, all the programs, all the functions has been given. Whatever you all have to do here, int is prime. In this you have to check whether number is prime or not using recursive technique. See, this is the program, and first the for loop is there. Prime series here is your default constructor. Okay, this is your default constructor. In this constructor we have put a number till where the loop is going to work, and we have assigned our array I0. Then void red list we have done. What list we have to store the numbers. Okay, here is the storing for the number, here for the printing of array. Now next is here because void accept has been given here, so we have to do this. We have to accept a number limit int is prime. See, this is the main recursive technique how to find out prime number. See here, this you all have to learn how we are going to find the prime number, and then we have to put it in the series. Okay, this is the way to find prime number in our recursive technique. Now next is, this is also a class series sum, how to calculate it. Here is also, see, this is for you all know that is the factorial sign, so we have to in this find out the fact also. Here series sum is also, here is also a constructor. This type, only this type of programs come in your board, so pay attention towards it and write each and every line of the program in your registers. See, this is the main method. These two are the main methods. This is your base case for the first one, and this is the base case for your second. This is your series. So you all have to do like this only. Then we have here plus all the do both of them, and we have got our output. Okay. So learn this how you are going to do. This is only the way how you can do. the sum of series in a factorial. Now, this is a binary search for a particular number addition by recursive technique. This is also a binary search how we are going to do in a recursion. Okay, see here program is there for you all. Integer array for store to constructor here to accept the array for in ascending order, because we all know that in binary search we have to fill the number with the array with our ascending in the sorted data. Okay, so this is the program how we are going to do. This is your main program how you are going to do binary search by using recursive technique. You have to write this only. You have to write this and pay attention towards there and learn it how you are going to do binary technique in recursion. So these two are the you all have to write the answer of these questions. Okay, what is meant by recursive function? Write two advantages of recursive technique. What are the limitations of recursive technique? Recursive technique is a time taking process. Give reason and differentiate between base case and recursive case. And the second one, in this you have to differentiate between the following: tail and binary recursion, recursion and iteration, and direct and indirect integration. This all work will be done in your class registers very neatly. Okay, I'll send PDF of this PPT. Each and every program of recursion should be in your class registers. Make it as same as it should be your project work. Okay, whenever the school is reopened, your class register will be taken and checked.